Hey guys, I'm Harshit Kumar and this is the beginning of day 10. Well, I woke up at 4:35 today and it's almost 5:55 right now and I am on time. So yeah, I will try to upload this video and all do all that stuff by 5:05. So yeah, I will be having some time. So I will be trying to achieve my 15-hour day with focus and concentration. So yeah, I will try to improve these. So my main target is not today to achieve 15 hour. My main target is to study for 15 hours with focus and concentration. So yeah, I will do that. And when it comes to the chapters that I will be studying, it will be same. One or wait, give me a second. In organic chemistry, I will be doing carbonyl compound and stereoisomerism. So those who are preparing for mains might think that stereoisomerism is pretty small or medium size. But for JEE Advanced, I think it's a very important chapter, stereoisomerism. So I will be giving time on that chapter. So yeah, there will be two chapter carbonyl compounds, and when I say carbonyl compounds, if time left, I will also be trying to do carboxylic acid. So yeah, that's it. And when it comes to maths, I will be trying to do circles and straight lines. So yeah, if possible both, or if not, I will do one. So my main target is not to achieve many chapters today, but to complete chapters 100%. So from the last days I was not able to complete all the chapters, so today I am reducing the number of chapters, and if time left I will be trying to achieve more. So yeah, I will, I have to adjust my plan because yeah, from the last 2 days you all knows that I was not able to complete my target. So that is the reason I'm reducing my load a bit, and I will let you know. Maybe I'm able to achieve more than these chapters, but these are my base chapters. So yeah, in physics I will be doing small chapters like semiconductor I will do for sure. I won't be doing communication because till now I have never read communication a single time. You might say it's very important for mains, but I have never read. Not even for 12th board, not at that time, and not now. So I will leave communication. I might see one or two formulas, but two formulas is maximum that I will be doing for communication. So apart from that, last time when I said I completed center of mass, at that time I left collision. Okay, impulse and collision. So I will do that today. And yeah, if time left I might also complete chapters like thermodynamics. I'm talking about physics. So yeah, physics one is not too big. Most of the thing that there is in thermodynamics is the formulas only. So that's my plan of today, and I will be making a time lapse of today so that I don't mess around. So there will be complete time lapse of uh, the 15 hours that I will be studying. I am not sure whether I will be uploading it or not, but I will definitely be making it. So yeah, thank you. Best of luck for JEE mains September. It's the third time I'm saying. Yeah, but best of luck for the exams, and take proper rest, and yeah, take proper rest because right now health is very important. So thank you.